Hey guys, this is Epson Ecotank ET-3850 series. I'm going to show you how to scan your document. Open up the glass scanner, stick the document that you want to scan face down, close the scanner. To scan your document from this printer to your laptop, there are few ways to scan your document. The first option is for you to go to Windows Scanner and select the scanner. Another option is if you connect this printer full setup guide, you need to use Epson Scan Tool. Epson Scan Tool. Open it up. Connect it to the server. Then you scroll down. You will see the printer ET-3850 series. Scanner setting, default setting, mode, documents. If you want to scan photo, then you select photo. Document source, scroll down to select glass scanner. If you are scanning with ADF, then you select ADF. Document size, A4. Image type, we want to scan this color. Resolution, if you scroll down, the maximum is 1200 dpi. We want this to be in 300 dpi. And also select add or edit page after scanning. Image format is PDF. File is PDF, and documents, you can select preview or scan. So select scan. This document is scanning, and it will also show you on the printer that is scanning the original. Now, if you want to scan the second page, open up the glass scanner and stick the document that you want to scan face down. Close the printer. Then select add. Select add. It's scanning the second page. Once you're done, you click save or edit. So select save. Now the next thing to do is, if you want to see this document, then you need to type the date you scan the document. So go on the search bar and type the date. So once you type the date, it will show you the document. This is the document. Double click it to open. This is the document we scanned, 2 pages document. To print this document out, you select Ctrl P, or you go on top and select printer icon. Then select the correct printer, Epson ET-3850 series. You want to print this portrait, and want to print this double-sided, long edge, and want to print this color. Select more settings. We want to print this 100%, this actual size. Then you select print. Now this document is going to print. Printing complete. This is the document we scanned. Printed it out double-sided. Another way to scan your document is for you to go to Windows Scanner, but I prefer to use Epson Scan 2 because it gives you option for you to scan multiple pages of document. But if you want to scan using Windows Scanner, what you need to do is you need to go to your laptop settings, then you select printers and scanners, select printers and scanners, then select Epson ET-3850, then you select scanner settings, open scanner. It will show you Windows Scanner. So you stick the document, for instance, open the scanner. We want to scan using ADF. Stick the document that you want to scan on top of the ADF, for example. Then select source as feeder, type PNG, source, color mode colored, and paper is A4. You select where you want to save the document. We select downloads, then select scan. Then you select view. This is the document we scanned. So to print it out, you select print. Select orientation portrait. The size is A4 paper, plain paper, full size. Then you select print. This document is printing. Printing complete. This is the document we scanned and printed it out. Another way to scan your document is for you to go to the printer settings, scroll to the side to select scan. Select OK. It gives you option for you to select scan to computer, then you select OK. It will show you the laptop connection. You scroll up to select the laptop available. Then the next thing to do is you take the document that you want to scan and put it on the glass scanner, then close it, then scroll down to select preview on computer, then select OK, then you select save as JPEG or PDF. You scroll down, save as PDF, select OK, then you select start. Now it's scanning. And if you look, it's scanning. If you look on the laptop as well, it will show you that the document is scanning. So the document is scanning. Destination laptop. Page 1, save as PDF. Scan to computer, finish. And once you scan the document finish, the document will come straight to the laptop to show you. And if you want to see the document, you just need to type the date. You scan the document. So type the date. So once you type the date, it will show you the image and the time. So select on it. This is the first one. This is the document we scanned, one page. So these are ways to scan your document from this printer to your laptop. I'm happy with this printer and it deserves your attention. So you can scan using ADF, glass scanner. So you can scan to the computer by selecting scan. Then you look for the laptop that is available. You can also scan using Windows. You can also scan using Epson Scan 2. I prefer to use Epson Scan 2 because it will give you option for you to scan multiple pages of document as you prefer. Thank you very much indeed.